Hello YouTube. Guess what I'm gonna do today? I won't be making a tutorial today because I'm gonna light up our nuclear TNT here, but it's not so big, so but the explosions might be big, so I want you guys to see it, so I just want to share it to you. Here I've got here a wooden button so the bow would work if I shoot it, and lots and lots of TNT. As you can see, it's solid. See, no missing pieces. It's completely solid, and this is bedrock with, oh, you heard it. So this thing is, it's really solid. I swear, I will not lie to you guys because you guys are awesome. So I want you guys to see this, and 3, 2, 1. First thing, I just want to say thanks to all the viewers of my video. So, okay, I think this is the end of the world. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Fail. Holy cow, let me just... Oh no. Holy cow! So, it lagged my computer and the bedrock left. So this is where the TNT belongs. Oh, my spawner! Oh no, it's destroyed again. But my roller coaster is good. And so this obsidian is. And guys, so this is not just a video of the huge explosions. This is also a video of my pets. So did you know this was an explosion? Then I just removed those excess and turned them to super flat sides in survival mode using the rapid dirt destroyer. So this is my pet. I mean, my pets live in here. Okay, if you can hear my cats, you would. You can hear them, right? Let me just take off the bow. No weapons allowed. Oh. Okay. Wait. No weapons allowed. Side. Okay, it says no weapons allowed inside, as you can see here. So I'm gonna go in. Here's my cats and dogs. Oh, my lovely cats. Meow. They're lovely. This one is my favorite here. The one with blue eyes. This one's kinda too. And my dogs have blue tag, as I liked. Blue is one of my favorite colors. I won't say the other ones. So I did this by survival mode. So if you know how to make a rapid dirt destroyer, then go and make a big explosion super flat and convert it to survival mode and destroy it. And if you don't know how to make a rapid dirt destroyer, just watch my other video. And I'm too lazy to write things on the description below, so I didn't write any links. I hate links. So what else? What else can I show you? I'll just cut the video and I resume the video when I think about something that I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, I've got something I'm gonna show you, and I know it's dumb. So here, you don't even get trapped. So if somebody wants to get something on you, like example, he dropped something accidentally that is so important, what you want to do is create something like this and drop it in there. Okay, you'll never be able to get it. Oh, he would if he destroyed the iron door. The iron door. How many TNTs are in here? Oh, let me just get over it and destroy all of them. Volume down. Holy cow. I always want to be closer here, but they keep... Holy cow. I wish they didn't destroy the glowstones inside of this bedrock tunnel. Ooh, very protective, huh? You are safe in this bedrock tunnel. As you can see, there's explosives here, explosions, but they wouldn't be able to affect you. Okay, it's empty. As you can hear, volume up. Oh, I just have some few things. Sorry guys, you don't have to remove this thing on the top, because if you... Wait, let me just make a new one. If I try to make a new one without that one, it wouldn't work. Oh, need this. What the hell? Okay, so, and then I'm gonna get 2 stacks of TNT. And oh no, I swear, it didn't work yesterday. As I said guys, I wouldn't lie to you, but yesterday it doesn't work, so when I make videos, it's always dumb. Don't watch my videos. I swear, they're dumb. See you next time. Don't watch my videos, but like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm crazy. Just kidding. I'm not crazy at all. Just press the like button and the subscribe button. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.